Number 10.
A stunning black kitchen with high-gloss cabinets offers a mesmerizing and otherworldly atmosphere that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Embracing the drama of black, balancing it with proper lighting and contrasting elements, and opting for a sleek and minimalist approach will result in a space that is not only functional, but also a work of art. By daring to go bold with this distinctive design, homeowners can create a kitchen that is truly unique and captivating, perfect for those who seek a space that transcends the ordinary.
Number 9.
The marriage of natural wood grains and black stain cabinets in a farmhouse-inspired kitchen is a design choice that epitomizes the charm of modern rustic elegance. With its timeless appeal and distinctive character, this style beautifully showcases the authenticity of natural materials, while infusing the space with a touch of contemporary sophistication. Whether you're a fan of traditional farmhouse aesthetics or seeking a unique twist on classic designs, this kitchen style promises to create a warm and welcoming ambience that beckons both family and guests alike.
Number 8.
Embracing simplicity with black matte cabinets, clean lines, and pops of metallic accents creates a kitchen design that exudes contemporary sophistication. This style effortlessly combines luxury with minimalism, resulting in a visually captivating space that remains highly functional. By adhering to a neutral color palette, incorporating natural materials, and incorporating smart storage solutions, homeowners can create a kitchen that is both stylish and inviting. With this design, the kitchen becomes more than just a cooking space. It transforms into a haven of modern elegance and comfort for family and friends to enjoy.
Number 7.
The captivating combination of black cabinets against a white marble backsplash and countertops creates a kitchen design that is both bold and dramatic. This striking contrast infuses the space with a timeless elegance, making it a sophisticated haven for culinary adventures and gatherings. By carefully balancing the black and white elements with neutral tones, incorporating open shelving for visual interest, and choosing bold lighting fixtures and hardware, homeowners can achieve a kitchen that is a testament to the allure of opposites. With this design, the kitchen becomes a visual masterpiece, blending drama, luxury, and functionality in perfect harmony.
Number 6.
Capturing the essence of industrial design with black metal-framed cabinets and exposed brick walls creates a kitchen space that embraces raw urban appeal with modern sophistication. The marriage of sturdy metal frames with the warmth of brick walls brings a unique and visually striking charm to the culinary haven. By incorporating open shelving, industrial lighting fixtures, concrete countertops, and vintage accents, homeowners can craft a kitchen that perfectly embodies the rugged yet refined allure of urban chic. With this design, the kitchen becomes a captivating space that seamlessly blends industrial aesthetics with functional practicality, making it a haven for culinary creativity and gatherings with a distinct urban flair.
Number 5.
A classic kitchen design featuring black cabinets, white subway tiles, and brass hardware epitomizes timeless elegance and luxurious appeal. This refined combination creates a space that exudes sophistication and beauty, making it a haven for culinary endeavors and gatherings with family and friends. With the addition of marble countertops, vintage-inspired lighting, and open shelving, homeowners can craft a kitchen that evokes a sense of nostalgia while remaining fresh and inviting. With this design, the kitchen becomes a culinary masterpiece that remains eternally stylish and cherished for generations to come.
Number 4.
Combining black cabinets with green accents and natural elements is a winning design strategy that infuses life and freshness into the kitchen. This vibrant and sophisticated combination creates a culinary haven that seamlessly blends modern elegance with the beauty of nature. With green backsplasher tiles, a living herb wall, potted plants, and greenery-inspired accessories, homeowners can craft a kitchen space that is both inviting and rejuvenating. With this design, the kitchen becomes more than just a place to prepare meals. It becomes a rejuvenating sanctuary where one can connect with nature and indulge in culinary delights.
Number 3.
A monochromatic kitchen design featuring various shades of black, gray, and charcoal is a captivating and contemporary masterpiece. By incorporating multi-tone cabinets, patterned backsplash, sleek countertops, and stainless steel appliances, homeowners can create a space that is both visually stunning and harmonious. With the interplay of matte and glossy finishes, under cabinet lighting, minimalist hardware, and open shelving, the kitchen becomes a chic and inviting culinary haven. This monochromatic marvel effortlessly blends modern sophistication with visual harmony, making it an enchanting space to prepare meals, entertain guests, and revel in timeless elegance.
Number 2.
Custom-designed black cabinets adorned with subtle hand-painted patterns or artistic engravings provide a captivating and creative kitchen design that reflects individuality and artistic expression. By working with professional artisans to create masterful designs, homeowners can showcase their creativity and elevate the culinary haven into a work of art. Balancing the artistry with minimalist hardware, complementary backsplash, and adequate lighting ensures that the hand-painted patterns take center stage, transforming the kitchen into a space that is not only functional, but also an inspiring and visually stunning oasis. With this design, the kitchen becomes a canvas for artistic expression, celebrating the beauty of creativity and personal style in the heart of the home.
Number 1.
Embellishing black kitchen cabinets with gold or silver accents, opulent crystal chandeliers, and mirrored surfaces creates a kitchen design that exudes glamorous elegance. The regal touches, luxurious seating, and sparkling focal points elevate the culinary haven into a space fit for royalty. With the addition of glass cabinet doors, polished marble countertops, and glamorous flooring, the kitchen becomes a captivating and sophisticated setting for culinary delights and gatherings. With this design, the kitchen transcends mere functionality to become a glamorous oasis of opulence and refinement, making every culinary experience an enchanting affair in the heart of the home.